In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Cartoonify filter on Snapchat. Okay, so I've left a link in the description of this video, and if you go ahead and tap on that link, you'll be taken to this website right here. This is the official Snapchat page for the filter. So what you want to do is tap on open in Snapchat, and it's going to open up Snapchat and it's going to say new lens found, and you want to tap on unlock for 48 hours. And then you can go ahead and load up the filter. So what I'll need to do is I will just need to tap on my object, and you can move the object around and so on and so forth, and you can go ahead and record your video from here and then send it to your Snapchat friends. So that is how you get the Cartoonify filter on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.